In this lesson, we're going to talk about interface of Adobe XD. So if I take you to Adobe XD, this is your interface. Basically, it looks exactly the same on a PC and on a Mac. There are just some minor differences, obviously, due to how the operating system itself is organized. So what we have right here are the controls, main controls. So you can click right here to open your files, edit your files. You can locate objects, plugins, view, window, and help. And below that, we have design, prototype, and share next to the home icon. When you click on that home icon, it's going to take you right here. And this is your starter screen, which we talked about in a previous lesson. We have design, prototype, and share in the design tab. So you have to click it. You are able to design, you're able to create, you're able to form your design. Then after you're ready to include some animations, some transitions, and some life to your designs, you're going to switch to prototype tab. When you're finished prototyping and you want to share that prototype with your clients, developers, teammates, you're going to once again switch to this share tab, and it's going to give you some options to share with your teammates, with your clients, and whoever else you want to share your prototype link with. All of these things we are going to cover in later lessons, but for now this is just the Adobe XD interface. This is your file name, so you can click right here to change or enter a different file name if you want to. This is your artboard, and we are going to cover artboards in much more detail in later lesson. Right here you have your basic controls. So this is your selection controls. From here to here are your shape tools. Here is your pen tool to create complex shapes. This is your text tool. This is your artboard tool, and finally zoom tool if you want to zoom in and out. Right, what we have right here are libraries, layers, and plugins, and we're going to cover them in separate lessons, obviously. And right here you have your separate section where you can, depending on what you have selected, those options will be located right here in this right hand side section. And this is actually your control section where you can enter sizes, you can change colors, you can change fonts, you can change shades, all of those things, and we're going to cover all of that in future lessons. But that's basically it for now. This is Adobe XD interface. This is how it works. This is how it looks like. If you used any kind of Adobe software in the past, you're going to be familiar with Adobe XD's interface. In the next lesson, we are going to cover artboard, so I'll see you there.